Hello everyone, you're welcome to Learn Maths with me. In this channel, I'll be taking you through in-depth tutorials covering a wide range of topics from basic arithmetic to advanced maths. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also drop any questions for me in the comments. Today we'll be looking at solving equations, and by the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to solve simple equations by rearranging and combining terms, and then you'll be able to solve equations with brackets. So solving equations, when you have an equation that has a combination of variables and numbers, what you have to do is to rearrange them until you're able to have the variables on one side of the equation and the numbers on the other side of the equation. The two sides of the equation is separated by the equal to sign. So when you solve equations, an example is this: 3x minus 5 is equals to 2x plus 2. Now we have a mixture of variables and we have a mixture of numbers. So to rearrange this, we bring all the variables that have the x to one side, and then we take all the numbers to the other side of the equation. You need to note that when you're moving variables across an equation and you have to cross the equal to sign, then the sign changes. And if you are moving numbers and you cross the equal to sign, the sign changes as well. So our 3x minus 5 is equals to 2x plus 2. If we want to rearrange, the 2x will take it to the left side of the equation. So plus 2x will become minus 2x, and then the minus 5 becomes plus 5. So the equation is rearranged and the variables are grouped together. 2x becomes minus 2x and minus 5 becomes 5. So solving equations, 3x minus 2x will be equal to 2 plus 5. 3x minus 2x gives us x, and 2 plus 5 gives us 7. So we have that x is equals to 7. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have 3x minus 1 is equals to 14. When we want to rearrange, we have only 3x as the variable in this equation, and then we have minus 1 and 14. So we take the minus 1 and to the right hand side of the equation, and it becomes plus 1. So our 3x minus 1 is equals to 14 becomes 3x is equals to 14 plus 1. Because our minus 1 is crossing the equal to sign, it becomes plus 1. So 3x is equals to 15. And then to get the value of x, we divide the 3x by 3, and then we also divide the 15 by 3. So if you divide 3x by 3, it gives us x. And if we divide 15 by 3, it gives us 5. So our x is equals to 5. Now let's take a look at solving equations that has brackets. If your equation has brackets, you multiply them out before rearranging. Then you go ahead and solve it the same way as we did. So let's look at this example. We have 3 and we have 3x minus 2 in bracket is equals to 5x plus 10. So we multiply it out. We multiply the 3 by everything that is in the bracket. So 3 multiplied by 3x is 9x, and 3 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6. So 9x minus 6, which is what we have on the left hand side of the equation, is equals to 5x plus 10. So we have been able to eliminate the brackets, and then we now go ahead and rearrange. How do we rearrange it? We bring all the variables with the x's to one side, which is the left hand side, and then we take all the numbers to the other side. So 9x, the 5x crosses the equal to sign, it becomes minus 5x. 9x minus 5x, we have that on the left hand side of the equation. Then we have 10, which is on the right hand side of the equation, and the minus 6 goes to the right hand side of the equation, and it becomes plus 6. So 9x minus 5x is equals to 4x, and 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. So we've been able to simplify this equation to get 4x is equals to 16. And to get the value of x, we simply divide the 4x by 4 and then the 16 by 4. So our x will be equal to 4. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and also like this video. If you have any questions, please drop it for me in the comment section. So 4x is equals to 16 and x is equals to 4. I have some questions for you. Feel free to pause the video and solve them. You'll have the answers in the next slide. How many of them were you able to get correctly? If you have any questions, please don't forget to drop it for me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.